nice Cuda, man. Look at this Euro Monte Carlo. This thing is nasty with an LT4. Wow, Aero Coupe, 87. You remember these, Joe?
No, I don't remember these.
Look how clean that thing is. Wow.
I remember the car, but I only remember like the Grand National version.
Yeah, these were cheaper than a Grand National, but the Monte Carlos were also hot. And now people are looking at these because, you know, to start modifying them as the collectors because a lot of the old cars are so expensive. So the Monte Carlos, the IROC Zs. Goolsby Customs. That's a badass Plymouth. Look at this with the stacks on the motor, man. That thing is clean. Wow. 70 Cuda. Wow. Super clean. Let me know what you guys think about this. 70 Cuda.
Oh, but the reference is... I would do something like that.
Yeah, this is hot right here. And it's turbo.
Have Tom give me 2 turbos.
Wow, look at this. This is clean. It's got a nice stance on a built-in roll cage. Oh, this is a straight race car in here. It's for sale too. Look on that, there's a flyer in the seat. Look in the passenger seat. This is a clean, what is it? 70 C10 with a turbo. Ecuador blue. Pretty truck. Super nice. It's clean. You see the buckets in here? Do you take it on any drives, or you track it, or just?
It's got a full TCI chassis.
Oh, okay. So autocross built. This would be a fun truck to take on a rally. 72K5. I like what they did with the interior, the inserts, how they have the plaid in here. It kind of breaks it up. This is clean. Sniper setup. Jimmy Speed Shop. It's a nice K5, man. For all you can. This is a badass truck. I've never seen one with the little back cab back here. Great job on the interior. It's a 1954 GMC pickup deluxe cab. This is a clean, I believe it's a, look at that motor, Joe. What is that? Is that a diesel? What is that? Is it early fuel injected? What is that on the top there? You got two.
That's a turbocharger on top.
I've never seen a turbocharger mounted like that. Have you?
I've seen superchargers.
Wow, this is got me stumped here. I don't know what. Well, it's a V8, but he got the turbo on top. Oh, he's got the turbo on top, and he's got the blow off going over the top, dropping down.
That's exhaust. Yeah.
It's diesel, huh?
Yeah. That's what I thought.
It is diesel.
Chevrolet with an LS in it.
Interesting. I kept looking like, damn, is this a diesel? And it's like, yeah, it's a diesel. So I've never seen a 55 with a diesel, bro. I've always seen the LS or big block or, you know.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to do something a little different.
Okay.
And
where are you guys out of?
Tucson. The shop that actually did a lot of the work here is here in Phoenix.
Okay.
Yeah. American Legends is the
Oh, yeah, American Legends. Yeah. They did that 300, a Chrysler, man. That was car. Oh, my God. That thing was ridiculous, man. The carbon fiber.
Yep, and the Ferrari.
The Ferrari with had the Modena motor, twin turbo in the coupe.
Yep.
Yeah, that right there to me was game changer.
And I think they've got a Chevelle here today. I haven't talked to Tony yet or seen him yet. But
Okay.
I think they've got a 66 or 67 Chevelle that they had at SEMA this last year.
Oh, and it's out here somewhere?
I thought it was going to be in the Builder's Choice, so
Okay.
it's going to be somewhere.
I know the weather kind of threw everybody off.
Yeah, muddy field down there, I bet.
Did you go to the Pomona Roadster show?
I did not. Was that anybody on this? I do. Is that a Duramax? It is. Okay, really cool. Thank you.
Yeah, this is clean 55. Just talking with the owner. Hell there. This is clean, and it's got a supercharger, 65. It's a badass Corvette. Look at the wheels back here. Nice.
Fun street car.
Are you what suspension stuff have you done?
Well, it's a Corvette frame that's been really reinforced, rebuilt,
Okay.
redesigned, and it's got 4-link in the rear, big Ford 9-inch,
Okay.
real heavy duty stuff. Front suspension's mostly stock, tubular control arms, different sway bars, things like that. Suspension didn't get that's a whole lot in the back, but that's mainly it on the suspension. But the frame got a lot of work, had a lot of reinforcement work done.
How did it drive now? How did it feel?
Big crush, great.
Yeah.
Got coilovers. I've got them set real soft right now.
Okay.
And it's actually drives really good. It's amazing.
You know, we were just talking. Have you seen King of the Mountain? You got to watch that. So there's a movie called King of the Mountain, and it's documenting Mulholland in L.A. and they used to race through there.
Yes.
And one of the guys who was like the King of the Mountain, Kirby Street in California, in L.A. He had a Corvette, and he modified it, and he was whooping everybody on the mountain.
Really?
Yeah. So it was
funny.
So he had a Corvette. It was a 60-something Corvette too, wasn't it?
Like this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
King of the Mountain. Yeah, it's a great documentary.
What color was the car?
Was it?
I think it was gray.
Oh.
Yeah, kind of nondescript, huh? But he had everything like raced out on it. Suspension.
I'll have to
You gotta, yeah.
Movie came out like in probably early 80s when Harry Hamlin was the leader.
Yeah.
Second tune was to get the fuel levels where it's safe,
Okay.
normally aspirated. And so now it needs to go back and normally aspirated, have all the mechanical linkages all adjusted and the actual throttle bodies adjusted.
Okay.
Then we go back in electronically and then do one more, then should be ready to go to the dyno to adjust there. I had the engine dyno before it went in the car with a carburetor on it, no supercharger. So I know the engine's solid.
Okay.
It made 698.
Wow, just motor?
Just motor.
Wow.
With a Holly, yeah, with a Holly 850.
Wow.
And so we'll see. I don't know. It's all aluminum Brodex, which for the weight and everything.
No, it looks like a monster, man.
It's really fun to drive. It's fun to drive.
Well, I always find it interesting because the thing about Corvettes, Mustangs, Chevelles, everybody has a different vision and everybody has different parts. So no one two are the same.
No.
And it's a reflection of your character, because some guys go big blocks, some guys go small blocks, some guys go turbo, some guys go supercharged. So
The cars that I tend to build usually lean towards like 60s and 70s kind of road race looking cars.
Okay.
I like that look, that
Yeah.
vibe, and so that's maybe where a little bit of that came from. But you're right, they all tend to, it's like you can see 1070 Chevelles, they're all different.
all different.
They're the same car, but they're all different.
Yeah.
Everybody goes off in their own direction, and it is very interesting how that happens.
I just like that you brought it back to life and gave it a new beginning, and with the all the stuff on it, because I love classic cars.
It was a pretty scruffy old car when I got it. It had a real solid body for the most part, and the chassis was really nice.
Okay.
But it had an engine out of a 73 Impala and a tranny out of a Z28. It was a mess.
Wow.
It was just a mess. But videos?
Yep. Wow, this is clean. Look at this. I think it's a 59. Wow. I think it's clean. Triple carb. Yeah, 59. Man, it's clean. Beautiful 59, man. Clean. I think it's a 55. Yep, 55. Clean. Eagle, Idaho. Chevelle with a 67? 66 Nova. Man, I think it's clean. Beautiful car.
for more details or learn more at good-cars.com. For over 20 years, Wicked Fabrication, located in Auburn, Washington, has specialized in high-end hot rods, pro touring builds, and classic trucks.
Clean.
And with a talented team, CNC machining capabilities, and on-site hot rod parts, they can build...
'69 Mustang Fastback, man. It's one of my favorite cars. I love Cougars, but this Mustang and this body style is just, it's just timeless to me. Clean. Such a pretty car. Look like it's all original too. Man. Flashbacks. So that's a wrap. 2025 Scottsdale spring show out here in Arizona, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, let me know what your favorite car is, and muscle up. To pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed by me for you.